Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the November 2025 Colors Kits from Shimmerz Paints. This kit is full of hot cocoa, fuzzy socks, and a dash of shimmer. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Don't forget you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order and Shimmers will send you a free paint. You can add my name to every order you place, and each time you'll receive another free paint. Now here's a look at everything that's included in the kit. I'm going to set the ephemera and things to the side, and let's start looking at the paper. Now this paper, it's front and back, it's heavyweight cardstock. There's 18 total designs, so you receive 9 sheets of coordinating paper to design with the November Color Kitz. I love all the cute designs, and I like how last month and this month some of the patterns on the paper are that smaller design, which not only makes it great for scrapbooking but card making as well. So you can see here lots and lots of fall designs. This one says thankful, 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 grateful, so pretty. Here's some leaves. And I like this design. My favorites though are these ones with the green and this plaid. I think it looks so good with, let me find that other paper here. Oh, this one that says Hello Fall. I'm definitely going to be using those this month. That's so pretty. Then we've got lots of little leaves here. See how the design is kind of smaller in the pattern? So you could use these on cards. There's a fun stripe. This is gorgeous here. I actually have a stencil. It kind of reminds me of that. And I like how this one, it looks like there's faux stitching around the edges. Can you kind of see that? Here we've got the pumpkins and the leaves. Such pretty paper. All right, so let's look at the other things included in the kit. So that's a look at the paper. You also receive this pretty coloring sheet. So this is a sheet that you can paint with your paints and then fussy cut or use your scissors to cut them out. I love that truck with the big pumpkin in the back. There's a sweater, leaves, a little squirrel. So that's going to be fun to work with. Then we receive 3 dots. So these are fun to add like little thread bundles under. We have a sheet of calico puffy stickers. So there's some fall sayings on here, some little stars. These would also be really pretty with some little tangled thread behind them as well. Then we have this huge ephemera pack. So it's a set of pre-cut ephemera that all coordinates with the kit. Now, one other thing that comes in the kit that I'm not showing here is you also receive 2 cut files. So those are emailed to you after you purchase the kit. And you can use those on your Cricut or your silhouette. So you'll have to check out the website to see those this month. I believe one is a pumpkin. It's really pretty. So can you see all these cute little pieces of ephemera here? We got little acorns, and here's some leaves. There's some cute little pumpkins. And a little piece of pie. I think that's a little hedgehog, some sunflowers, some leaves. There's a little cup of hot cocoa. So all of these really give off that fall vibe. So here's some more, a few little sayings that you could use both on your scrapbook page or cards. Here's a pumpkin. We've got another sunflower. There's quite a few sunflowers. And then here's a few little journaling spots as well. And then here's the paints. So this one is the Ocean Water Vibes. And then we have the Rose Gold Vibes. This is the Shimmers called Burned Out Shimmerz. We have the Good as Gold Inklingz. And then this one here is called Plant One On Me Twinklingz. Now, some of these I already had, and so I went ahead and swatched these off camera. I apologize. My camera went a little bit wonky here. Pepper has come in to help me scrapbook, and so I will adjust it here in a moment. But that's a look at the paints. So you can see all the pretty paints. Now this is a look at the bonus bundle. So in the bonus bundle, you receive a pack of Sequinz and then also this pretty paint. This is Gold Glimmer Blingz, and the camera really doesn't pick it up, but it is so sparkly and shiny. And then all of these Sequinz match the kit, and that's an add-on. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back.